Dewar's flask method. This is one interesting one. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. From one another, we can easily separate them based on the concept of adsorption. Helium cannot be adsorbed. First line. Okay, now on coconut charcoal under any conditions. So helium, no question. Then neon, argon, krypton, xenon. If you see, as the molecular mass increases, high temperatures are required. Or you can say, at high temperatures, higher molecular mass gases can be adsorbed. At lower temperatures, lower molecular mass gases can be adsorbed. Fine. Now what you are doing? Just imagine that you are going to one hill station somewhere else with your 4-5 friends. Okay, you are the richest one, and friends of different category. Friends means not exactly friends. You say that you are going in a tourist bus. There are five people in that one. One fellow who is rich, he is going to stay in a rich hotel, and in that rich hotel, a poor fellow cannot stay. Okay, now reason because his budget is not supporting the stay in that particular hotel, so he will go to some other hotel. Same concept you can apply here. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These are the 5 friends. In this, helium has no interest to stay in any hotel. Helium wants to stay in the bus itself, otherwise pavements. Okay, so helium is not adsorbed on coconut charcoal. Helium role is over. The next, argon, krypton, xenon. Okay, all they have some budget, they wanted to go. So first, when you are going to a hill station, these fellows, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, they went to a hill station and there started the issue. The guide there, he is showing the hotels. Sir, you can stay here. First hotel they went. Price is 173K. Okay, now here temperature. Okay, 173 Kelvin temperature means minus 100 degrees Celsius, but activated charcoal. On this 100 degrees Celsius coconut charcoal, he showed helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Go and show the room, sir. If you are comfortable, you can stay there. Okay, I am just conveying in easiest way. So when the guide said all these gases are coming, they are just looking 173 Kelvin charcoal. Helium said no, because helium has no intention to adsorb there. Helium went out. Neon said no, I can't. Argon, krypton, xenon mentioned that yes, this is okay for us. So argon, krypton, xenon adsorbed there on 173 Kelvin charcoal. Helium and neon came out. Helium and neon didn't. Helium and neon are coming out. Argon, krypton, xenon adsorbed. So leave it. Okay, now the guide is taking the helium and neon into another charcoal, which is maintained around 93 Kelvin. Sorry, 93 Kelvin charcoal. 93 Kelvin charcoal. That means 93K. Now he is asking helium and neon to go into that 93 Kelvin. 93 Kelvin charcoal is there. Helium said no, because helium is already mentally prepared. He is not going to stay in any hotel, so he simply left out. Neon said it's okay for me. 93K is okay for me. So 93 Kelvin temperature, neon adsorbed, helium out. You keep a balloon there, balloon filled, helium balloon, that's it. Helium is separated. What about neon? Neon is adsorbed at 93. Why neon adsorbed at 93? Why not at 173? Because 173 Kelvin temperature is high for neon, not 93. So what we are doing is simply we are increasing the price, means temperature. The 93 to 100, 120, 130. So the waiter is coming, sir, food purpose, you need to pay 20K. Sir, water bottle, you need to pay 30K, like that. Then neon said, no, it is not me, I will jump. Okay, so like that we are removing the neon from there. Very simple. Neon is coming out when the temperature is increased, because neon is comfortable at 93, not at 120, 130. So it is coming out. So neon is also separated. 2 gone. Now coming to the first total. Okay, now where 173 Kelvin is the charge, and argon, krypton, xenon are staying there. Now what we are doing is we gave them an offer. We are starting a new hotel nearby. There the charges are 77 Kelvin, everything is same. Okay, now all these, but that is a new hotel, that's why we are giving less charges. Krypton and xenon, they are all rich people, Ambani's, Adani's type rich people, so they don't want to go. Okay, but argon is there. Now argon has tendency. Argon is thinking that okay, 77 Kelvin is better option. So simply argon is jumping into 77 Kelvin. That means what we are doing in chemistry is, to the 173 Kelvin charcoal, we are connecting another charcoal at 77 Kelvin. 173 Kelvin, argon, krypton, xenon are relaxing here. 77 Kelvin, when that is connected, simply argon is coming here, because argon thinks, why should I waste 173K? I should go with 77 Kelvin, because argon is little lower molecular mass. Argon can stay at 77 Kelvin also. So coming, once argon is completely diffused into this one, we are connecting that. Okay, we are disconnecting the connection and we are saying that now our hotels are separated, we are going to charge more. Okay, we are going to charge 200K. Then what argon is going to do? It can't go back because the connection is broken. Okay, so argon is simply coming out when the temperature is increased. So 77 Kelvin charcoal, when it is connected to 173 Kelvin charcoal, simply argon went into that one. Okay, and after disconnecting and heating, argon is coming out. We have collected argon. Coming back to the first one, 173 Kelvin, krypton and xenon. Simply you increase the temperature to 183 Kelvin. 173 krypton xenon was okay. 183 krypton said, these people are going to increase like this only, I am not going to stay, I am jumping. So at 183 Kelvin, krypton out. Okay, now as the temperature increases, lower molecular mass gases cannot absorb. Finally, who is residing there? At 183 Kelvin, only xenon. Okay, now if you want to collect xenon, go on 200, 220, 230, 240. How many days xenon is going to be there? Fine. So xenon will also come out on heating. So finally, we can say helium, neon are taken. Helium and neon are not adsorbed on 173 Kelvin charcoal. Argon, krypton, xenon only adsorbed. Helium and neon are passed on to 93 Kelvin charcoal, where neon adsorbs, helium out. On 93 Kelvin, when heated, neon is also out. 173 Kelvin, argon, krypton, xenon are there, connected to 77. Argon diffused into 77. Fine. Then 77 Kelvin charcoal is separated and heated, argon out. 173 we are heating to 183, krypton out. We are heating more, xenon out. This method is called Dewar's process. It is based on the adsorption technique.